What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing some Geometry Dash. I know usually we play like Roblox and stuff. Today we're going to be playing Geometry Dash. If you guys don't know that I play Geometry Dash, you guys might Let me try and practice mode. Okay, guys. Oh my god. This is so it's probably gonna take like 200 tries. What? What is happening? What? How do I say this? What? Possible. Let's try a different level. Oh my. What? Sorry, guys. Thought I had to stop that. Oh! Should we do practice mode? Oh, man, I wish if you had practice mode on still, it would let you like. No. What the heck? So you have to let it go then. Come on. Oh my gosh, I hate the 3 spikes. Come on. Are you kidding me? Oh. Are you kidding me? What? Come on. Come on, guys. No. Come on. No. Kidding me? What? Come on, there we go. Oof. Oof. No. What? Come on. Come on, we're 95% there. What the heck? Oh my god. What the heck? What? Okay. Finally! Oh, let's check it. What? I hope you are having fun. Please take some time to. I already know. Da, 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 da. Hello? Okay. Just leave me alone. Oh. Let's try apocalyptics. Practice mode. There we go. Oof, oof, oof. Oof. Come on. Should we start? I'll leave this up to you guys. Should we start a new geometry dash? A new geometry dash thing. Like, we'll do geometry dash. Ooh. Come on. Didn't stop, jump. Okay. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We got this. 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 Yalla, 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 yalla. No. Come on. Okay, he's saying yes. Okay. If you're watching this, by the way, I got you, bro. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh, I get it now. You have to fall down there. What? Okay, never mind. Are you kidding me? Kidding me? Are you kidding me? You're kidding me right now. You're kidding me. Come on, we can do it. We're at 70 something percent. 80. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. I'm sorry that I can only do stuff in practice mode. I'm just not that good. I started yesterday. And I really liked it, and I think you guys would enjoy it. Kidding me? Oh. Let's go! Polar bear. Okay, let's check out our colors. Holy, that looks sick color too. Oh, look at that. I think the yellow looks better. I think the yellow looks better. Yeah, I'd rate the stars online. Rate the stars online to get the secondary color. Hold on, complete, can't let it go in practice mode to unlock this main color. I think red and yellow would go hard. Let's get to it. You guys want me to do Sexual Madness? Whatever the heck it's called. Oh my. Oh, it's gonna kill me to do, but anything for you guys. This is gonna hurt myself so much, but it is for you guys, so it does not matter. It's gonna take so long. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. I've never really gotten that far without having it be 20 attempts without. Oh, did I just get the coin? Oh, I don't think I got it because I'm in practice mode. Come on. Come. This is so hard to think while it's upside down. Wait, is it upside down? Yeah, I thought I had my tablet backwards. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, thank you. Come on. Wait! And two. Oh my god. You kidding me? forgot that you could just go under all. Kiss. I'm not getting the third key and dry out. It's so hard. I think, personally. I mean, it's not that hard, but for me, because I'm a starter, because I started yesterday. You don't. Oh my god. Come on. What's up to 82? What? So, I don't know what just happened there, but I noticed that we're at 94%. And this is kind of... Yeah! How did we have attempt 100? We have attempt 100, and then we got to 100. How? That's crazy. Let's check the color out. Around there. What even are these? Fire route, unlock. Okay, whatever. Wait, how much? 70, okay. What can I do? Think. Ice shards. Ooh, I need ice shards. Is it these? Ice shards. Okay. Anyways, guys. Adios, mi amigos. I love every single one of you.